weren't born to be passive consumers of mindless videos. Life has a more profound purpose for each of us. Deep within you lies untapped greatness, waiting to be discovered and embraced. While my words alone may not be enough to entirely break the allure of these videos, the urgency to take action is now. Procrastination can stifle your potential and hinder your life's journey. This is your moment to seize, to unlock your potential, and forge a brighter and more promising future. By taking this step, you're investing in your dreams, your future, and your fullest potential. Consider this. Every great journey begins with a single step. By taking action today, you're propelling yourself towards a life filled with purpose and achievement. Don't let this opportunity slip through your grasp. Act now, for tomorrow is uncertain, and your greatness is patiently waiting to be unleashed, to shine brightly and illuminate your path forward.